The production of new energy vehicles has high demands on the takt time. That's why it's so important to improve inspection efficiency. In this video, let's see how FreeScan Trak Pro2 efficiently inspects holes in battery trays of new energy vehicles. FreeScan Trak Pro2 doesn't require markers during the scanning process, which dramatically reduces inspection preparation time. A battery tray can save up to 15 minutes of putting markers. Meanwhile, FreeScan Trak Pro2 equips 50 blue laser lines. The scan speed can reach up to 3,070,000 points per second. Scanning the battery tray takes only about 3 minutes. After the scanning, we import the scan data into inspection software. Measurement data for all holes can be obtained quickly and at once, and the positional deviation of the holes can be seen at a glance, while at the same time, the inspection efficiency is extremely high. Once the software inspection templates are set up, the measurement takes only 1 to 2 minutes. FreeScan Trak Pro2 dramatically improves full-size inspection of battery tray holes.